So you are making your own Lego building, and you're building several floors. Well, there is a secret feature that you should add to your Lego building, and I am going to explain and show what that secret feature you should add to your Lego building is. So the secret feature you should add to your Lego building is removable floor levels. So, for example, here is a Lego clubhouse creation that I built. So here you can see that there is a frame with tiles. With this frame, I'm able to add this, a floor. All I do is I take this, and then I basically place it here, then I basically just slide it in, and then all I do is I click it in, and boom. So as you saw there, I used the secret feature of removable floor levels in my clubhouse creation. Maybe consider trying this out on your Lego building if your building does allow it, and see how it benefits for you. And if you want to learn about how to add color to your Lego creation, check out the video over here, and you can learn about how to add color to your Lego creations. So check out this video right here, and I will see you next time.